Hello everyone. We are going to start with the first few topics and it will be pretty boring. The reasons why I am starting from the basics is that everyone should be strong and proper with the basics. There will be few people who know the basics about the stock market and so please bear me that take it as an revision. Let's start with what is stocks. Stocks are a small part or fragment of the company which you can buy. For example, take a name of the company as XYZ and you assume that you are owning the some of the part of this company called XYZ and as you own some of the part of this company XYZ and will be a small part of that company also as you own some of the shares of that company. Anyway, the next question which strikes in your mind is how will this company come inside this stock market? For that, you have to know about IPO. The IPO is known as initial public offering. Let's see what an IPO is. The process of making shares available for people to buy is known as an IPO. If the company decides to do that, they don't come straight away to the public and give the shares. What they do is there is a procedure. You can see in this image that the company is coming in. This is the company, take this company as XYZ, and they are going to deal with this stock exchange now. And stock exchange decides to split this companies share into multiple ways like for example take it as 10,000 shares and they have divided this 10,000 shares and people can buy this 10,000 shares and now the company comes inside the stock market and people will be start trading now. And now what we're going to see is what is a stock exchange. Stock exchange is a place where all the buying and selling are taken care of and this is the place where all financial products are under the exchange. There are two exchanges in India. One is NSE and BSE, the National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. And these are some of the famous brokers in India. You cannot approach a company directly to buy the shares. For that, you have to link with any one of the brokers. There are broking demat account provided by banks and some of the discount brokers. You have to open a demat account to start trading or start buying and selling shares. Now we are going to see about the different types of market participants and the differences which comes under retail traders. Under retail traders there are four types of market participants and they are investors, swing traders, day traders and scalpers. Investors are people who basically buy and hold onto a few securities for more than a year. And the swing traders are people who basically close their position within a week or a few days. And what they do is they won't take a trade more than a month. And day traders are traders who close their position in the same day they have taken the trade itself. And scalpers are people who run a trade for more than a few minutes. Now we're going to see about the FIIs and DIIs. The FIIs are known as the foreign institutional investors. Investors like hedge funds, mutual funds, portfolio, investment which are done from the foreign countries comes from the FIIs and DIIs. DIIs are known as the domestic institutional investors. They are the investors like hedge funds, mutual funds, portfolio managers, and investment bankers. And this is done within the country. And the investment from the FIIs and DIIs is referred as the smart money. And now we are going to see about the types of market. There are three types of market. One is forex, and another one is commodity, and the next one is equity. The forex in the sense it's called as currency pair, like euro, Japan, and INR dollar, something like that. And under commodity comes under gold, silver, and raw materials are coming under this commodity. And equity in the sense buying shares of some companies, for example Tata Motors, State Bank of India, UPL. Here the market is divided into three types, which is commodity, equity, and forex. And these three combine to form the financial products. And under these cash, futures and options are coming under. We are at the end of the video, so don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. I will see you in the next video. Be safe, invest safe.